Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, Ellen here. So today I'm going to be doing a tutorial on this look that I'm wearing right now. We're obviously getting quite into autumn with us being in October now, so I just kind of wanted to do something that was like quite neutral should I say. It's like not bright and colourful, but also quite like autumnal colours, so like a bit more of like a mustardy colour kind of coming through, but without being bam in your face mustard. So just kind of wanted to use those kind of tones in today's look. Autumn's probably like my favourite season. I love the clothes, I love the fashion, I love the makeup, I love everything to do with autumn. So please give this video a thumbs up if you do like it, and also please subscribe to my channel, and I'll stop blabbing now and I'll just get right on with the video. Thanks guys. Okay guys, so I'm going to start off with the Plouise basic, just so that this is just in the shade Rumour. I'm just going to start off with this and I'm just going to pop this right underneath my brows. Doing that with a MAC 242 brush as well. Just ignore my eyebrows at the minute, by the way guys, because I'm trying to grow them out, so I'm well aware that they look super gross. So once I've popped that right underneath the brow, I'm also just going to put that all over the lid. And then for eyeshadow, so I'm going to start off with a darker shade. So I'm going to start off with this one here. This is from the Melt Rust Stack. I couldn't say that name. This one's called Rubbish. Just looks like that. It's really similar to Uninterrupted by MAC or Desert Sands by Makeup Geek. But it's really nice eyeshadow. So I'm going to start off with that, and I'm going to pop that right in the crease. I'm just using a small brush. It's just a defined crease brush from Makeup Geek. They don't have numbers, I don't think. I'm just going to start off by putting that right in the crease and just blend it back and forth. And then pop some on the outer corner as well. Take a bit of a fluffier brush. This is a 221 Soft Lux crease brush by Jouer. It just looks like this. And I'm going to go in with MAC Chrome Yellow, which is right here. And I'm just going to blend that out. I'm also going to go in, same brush as well, with a little bit of Rule by MAC, which is just right here. It's just a really nice, like, quite pale orange colour. So I'm going to use the exact same brush, and I'm just going to also blend some of that. I'm just not going to put that as high, so I'm going to kind of put it in between the Chrome Yellow and the first shade which we used as well. Which was from Makeup Geek, and the same shade as well that we used in the beginning. And I'm just going to deepen the crease up a tiny bit. And because I do want this to be a little bit darker than what it is as well, I am going to use a dark colour. So this is also from the Melt Stack. It's called Rust. Just looks like that. I don't know if you can see that on the camera, but it's quite just a dark, really rich brown. And I'm going to take that on the same brush that we used that first shade on, and I'm just going to pop some of that in the crease as well. The second brush, the fluffier brush, just to blend that out. lid, I'm going to use this shade right here. It's from, I don't know if you can see that very well. Let me take it out of the palette. It's from Anastasia, Beverly Hills, and it's called Truffle Glitter. It's such a pretty colour. I don't know why, I don't know if you can actually see that or not, but I don't know why, but the name of the shade sort of reminds me of, remember the film Goonies when they did the Truffle Shuffle? It really reminds me of that. I have no idea why, but it does. So I'm just going to take this on a flat brush like so, and I'm going to spray it with a little bit of a setting spray. This one's just from Glam Glow, just because I want that extra shine. And I'm just going to press this onto the lid. Just to be a little bit extra, I'm going to pop a little bit of glitter on. So I'm going to use the Too Faced Glitter Glue first. I don't want to use too much of this because I don't want this to be like really solid glitter. I just want a tiny little bit of it. And it's going to be the bronze glitter from MAC, which just looks like this. I'm just going to dab some of the glitter glue on my eye with just my ring finger. And then I'm just going to pick up some of the glitter with the same finger and just dab that on. I'm just going back in with that brush, just blending the crease out again. Try and get some of the glitter from out of the crease. I'm just going to take a little bit more of that Plouise base, and this time I'm going to pop this underneath the eye. I'm going to start off with this pencil brush, which is just from Crown Brush. Don't know if it's actually got a number, if it has this one off. And I'm going to go in with this shade, which is called Rot, also from the Melt Cosmetics Rust Stack. And I'm just going to pop this right underneath the eye on the lower lash line. And then I'm going to go back in with that first brush we used with the second shade, which is Rust, which is that one. I'm going to put Rubbish over the top of that as well with the same brush. And then finally, using the same fluffy brush as well that we've been using, I'm going to pop a little bit more of Chrome Yellow and Rule. I'm just going to mix them together on the brush. And blend that out. And I'm just going to apply Max Feline to my waterline as well, so I'm just going to pop that right in there. Going back in with the pencil brush, no additional product, I'm just going to sort of blend that into the eyeshadow. Just to really deepen this up. Okay, so that's basically the eye look. I'm just going to go and do my other eye and my brows and pop some lashes on off of camera, and then I'll come back and do my skin. Okay guys, so that's the finished eye look. So I've just finished that off with, I've obviously done the other eye, I've popped some lashes on. I just used the ones from Prima Lash, which are the style Goddess. And I did my eyebrows as well. So for my brows, I've just used the Anastasia brow wiz in the shade Auburn, and then I've just popped some of the MAC False Lash Maximiser over the top of them to make them fluffier. Okay, so for my skin, I'm going to start off with the Glam Glow Glow Setter Setting Spray. Okay, so then for primer, I'm going to use the Charlotte Tilbury Wonder Glow that just looks like this. Just going to pop that on. Oh, just ignore the awful this on my arm. I burnt myself and it's just like gone into a scab now. It looks really disgusting, I'm sorry. But for foundation, I'm going to go in with the Too Faced Born This Way foundation. I use this in the shade Natural Beige. It's a little bit dark for me at the minute, but don't judge. So I'm just going to pop some of this on. I'm going to use that on a buffer brush. This is from Spectrum. I have no idea what the number is because it's worn off. I'm just going to pop put that on. Yeah, like I said, it's a lot darker than my skin at the minute, but I'm going to blend it down my neck. Don't judge guys, I just don't like to look pale. Now that I've got my foundation on, I'm just going to go and pop some concealer underneath my eyes. I'm going to use the MAC Pro Longwear Concealer in the shade NC30. I'm just going to use a Spectrum brush, no idea what this is because it's one-off. I'm just going to apply it with this, just right underneath my eyes. I like to use a fluffy brush underneath my eyes because then I can be careful of the eyeshadow I've got as well. I'm just going to pop some powder on now. I'm just going to use the MAC Waterweight powder. This is in the shade Light Plus, just looks like that. I probably wouldn't choose this shade for myself just to buy it again, but I just got this one for free, so. I'm just using 101 Zoeva brush. Okay, so how annoying my camera cut out of me when I was doing my skin, so. And I'm just in the middle of doing a bronzer, which is the MAC Baiana Bronze bronzer. So, yeah, how annoying that it cut out on me, but let's just carry on filming and hope it doesn't do it again. The battery of my camera is very low at the minute. Okay, so for blusher, I'm just going to use Peaches from MAC, which looks just like this. So I'm just going to use that on the big powder brush. And just apply that to the apples of my cheeks. I don't like to put too much blush on though, so I'm not going to go too heavy with it. And then for highlighter, which is obviously my favourite part, I'm going to go with this one, which is from Too Faced. It's called Blinded by the Light. I can never open these, but it just looks like that. They're really cute, these highlighters. I really like them. I'm just going to apply this with the Anastasia. If it's got a number, it's worn off, so I have no idea. It's just their highlighting brush. I'm just going to apply that right to the apples. Right to the apples? I'm just going to apply that right to the high points of the cheek. I can't talk today. I've had a nightmare. My camera has just been cutting off on me, and I've had not enough memory, then it's been dying on me because of the battery, so I've had a bit of a nightmare, but you know. Okay, so finally for lips, I'm going to go in with the Cork lip pencil from MAC, and then Charlotte Tilbury's Nude Cake lipstick, and then I'm going to finish it off with the Jouer lip topper in Skinny Dip. So I'll just apply that right now, it won't be a moment. Guys like the final look. I'm really a fan of this. I'm really liking, well, obviously we're getting into autumn now, so I really like all the autumnal colours, like mustards and yellows and browns and bronzy colours. They're my faves for this time of year, hence the jumper as well. By the way, I have been really lazy because I've got the really cute jumper on, but then I've just got on, I don't know if you can see, I've just got on my pyjama bottoms. So I've been a little bit lazy there, but you know, gotta do what you gotta do, haven't you? Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and also click that subscribe button down below as well. Let me know in the comment section down below what kind of videos you want to see. If you want to see more tutorials or reviews or whatever you guys want to see, just let me know and I'll get to filming your suggestions as well. I'm really bad at outros, but I hope you like this look, and please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Thanks, bye guys.